Don't take what doesn't belong to you. Steal someone's vehicle and then take it to the car wash. No one is going to want you moving heavy furniture and going to their homes when you do meth every day. 23 CR 0467, State of Texas versus Jonathan Thomas. That parties announced for the record for the state.
Jason Jorgens for the state and Andrew Fraley from Mr. Thomas.
All right. And are you Mr. Thomas?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, you received all the discovery?
Yes, sir.
Did you review it with your client?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Thomas, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
And did you sign it?
Yes.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, sir.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we're waiving count 2 and proceeding on count 1.
Any objection?
Okay.
Mr. Thomas, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand you're charged with theft of a vehicle as a state jail felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
No.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial? A right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Sir.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Sir.
Counsel, Mr. Thomas, did you understand if the court would have granted your application for deferred adjudication? If for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Sir.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, sir.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, sir.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, sir.
Just one moment. There are a lot of doctor's appointments going on today, so just give me a moment. All right, we're back on the record. Mr. Thomas, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, state is proceeding on count 1. There's an $800 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. And there's restitution, if any, to Julia Morales. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. State is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 2 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours community service restitution, no contact with Julia Morales in cats 1 and 2. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offense as charged in count 1, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. The state offers Exhibit 1, the defendant's waivers and stipulation of evidence.
Any- All right, state, you can be excused to continue. All right, Mr. Chumez, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept it to evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, follow the order.
How old are you?
23.
How far did you go in school?
To 9th grade.
Why?
I dropped out.
Why?
Why?
Yes.
I wasn't doing good at school.
So what are your plans?
Getting a job.
How are you going to get a job with a 9th grade education? I'm sure there's some things to do, but
When I have a high school diploma, I did a homeschool program.
all right, so you have your GED.
Yes, ma'am.
When did you get your GED?
From next day leadership, San Antonio leadership.
When?
When? Back in 2016.
All right, so you have that in 2016 and you committing this offense in 2022. So why does it take coming to court for you to decide that you're going to get a job and live your life right?
Judge, if I can, I had a discussion with my client earlier today, and after he's now placed on probation without a felony conviction, that he's going to get it, that was a job lined up, is that correct? You tell the judge where that job is that you have lined up. That's at Ashley's furniture.
Everyone, please whisper.
Ashley's furniture. So you can now go and get them. You have a friend who's recommending it and you have that all lined up. Yes. Okay.
All right, so why are you taking this vehicle that doesn't belong to you?
I was under the influence.
Of what?
Of Xanax.
I mean, you must be have been under the influence to steal someone's vehicle and then take it to the car wash. So when you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be? And before you tell me, I want you to know you're going to get drug tested today. So you need to be honest with me.
Wait for her to finish the request. We discussed this already.
Okay.
He's prepared.
So what are you, if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Meth and weed.
So where's the Xanax? So you're going to be positive for meth and weed. How often are you using meth?
Probably every day.
Every day. No one is going to want you moving heavy furniture and going to their homes when you do meth every day. And the fact that you took someone's car, I don't know if Ashley's Furniture is going to hire you because they don't want the responsibility of having someone working for them who's going into somebody's home, moving furniture. So you probably, and where is your child?
With my wife or with my girlfriend. Hold on. So may I answer?
Yes.
We discussed this answer as well. Y'all are still together. Yes. And you're supporting the child. Yes. Financially and emotionally. Yes.
All right, you can't support a child financially if you don't have a job. How are you supporting your child financially?
I'm working with my brother's father-in-law. We do AC.
All right, and the mother of your child, is she using drugs as well?
No,
Let me just tell you why I find that a little bit hard to believe. It may be true. It's a possibility. It could be true. But usually people who are using drugs hang out with other people who are using drugs. Now, I will go up and support people who are running marathons. If my friend is running and they're like, Stephanie, come support me run a marathon, but I'm not having meals with them because I don't do marathon running. If you hang around a barbershop often enough, you're going to get a haircut. So here's my question for you. Do you have some other place to stay? Because I cannot have, does she work?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And so that means that while she's at work and your child is too, that means that your child is not,
Well, she's not working right now. She's pregnant at the moment. So she's very stopped working.
yeah, well, you can't live with her.
I know.
What's her name?
Hannah Yanes.
I'm sorry, what?
Hannah Yanes.
Hannah Yanez. So is there another place for you to stay?
I've been staying with my brother.
All right, so you're not allowed to live with her, you understand? All right. This is what, yes,
Sorry, my client's nervous. I was just letting him know, just like, wait, Richard, you finishes, then you can talk. He's trying his best.
all right, so this is what we're gonna do. 3 years deferred adjudication. $800 fine, that will be probated. Probation, I'm gonna want a TAP evaluation. A referral to felony drug court. And you need to be 100% honest with felony drug court, and they will probably accept you.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to run a referral to felony drug court and do that first before the TAP evaluation, or do it in conjunction with the TAP evaluation. If felony drug court does not accept him, I'm going to want intensive outpatient treatment with probation. I'm going to want 90 sober meetings in 90 days. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. He is not to reside with Hannah Yanez. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Restitution and no contact with Julia Morales. CATS 1 and 2. CATS 1 and 2 is something that everybody should learn. So I'm going to give it to you. Here's CATS 1 and 2. Don't take what doesn't belong to you. And as a side note, which is not including CATS, if somebody invites one of your friends to a party, if they have not been given to have a +1, don't go. If you end up going to somebody's house and they ask you to leave, leave. That's CATS 1 and 2. All right. 120 hours of community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. The court is not requiring you the COVID vaccination, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be waived. I'm going to want parenting classes with Triple P. The remaining of the hours will be waived once he completes that. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. I'm going to want field visits 2 times per month until further notice. And probation, make sure they check on the children to make sure that he's not unsupervised around the children. And we're going to do the UA hotline until further notice. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Yes.
Did you mandate CATS 1 and 2?
Yes.
And else is fine.
All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. You're 22. You're bringing children into this, 23. You're bringing children into this world, and they're 100% dependent upon you. No child, when they're, coming down saying, hey, I want the person who is using drugs on a daily basis and stealing cars to be my father. You still have a chance for your children to maybe be proud of you. So you're going to have to stop using drugs, get a job, and be a parent. Being a parent is more than just producing offspring. They need financial help, they need love, they need support, and they need someone to show them the right way to do things. So you're off to a bad start, and you're going to correct that. You understand? All right, good luck to you. 2021 CR 8728B, State of Texas versus Brittany Marie Brubaker. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garrett, hand, your honor.
Defense?
Meredith Chacon for Ms. Brubaker, Your Honor.
Are you Brittany Brubaker? Showing you what's entitled motion to revoke community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Brittany Marie Brubaker who was placed on community supervision in 2021 CR 8728B for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams on February 23rd, 2022 for a term of 6 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Yes, your honor. Violated condition number 4 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant Brittany Marie Brubaker did in there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of March 2023 in violation condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Waiver of any violated.
Any
condition.
objections?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to 6 years in prison and up to $1,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4? Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there an agreement?
Yes, there is, your honor. It is to deny the motion and to continue with her on her preferred.
She's on regular.
Probation, your honor, and have her attend the state contracted ISF cognitive track, remain in custody until treatment bed is available. In addition, transfer the probationer to ISP and complete the anticipated outpatient treatment.
All right, is that the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right. So I see here that you've been here before for not following the court's conditions of probation. So why are you not reporting?
I just messed up.
No, I mean, there has to be a reason. You know, you're looking at 6 years in prison. When you have a contract, when you're on probation, the contract is not between your attorney and the state. I don't have to follow their agreement. The contract is with the court. So why are you not reporting? Would you like to go to prison?
No.
Then why are you behaving as though you want to go to prison? Because last time you were here, and I didn't hear the motion of Judge Her heard the motion, there was a violation of condition number 2 and number 14 that you pled true to. And the conditions were alternate amended for SATIF, followed by aftercare, weekly UAs for 2 months. And there's to be CPS compliance. So why are you not doing what you need to do?
I went to go take a drug test on the day I got out, January 18th. And they didn't submit it till the 19th. So I was getting more consequences for them not submitting it to the 19th.
So what is the March? You're not reporting in March. What does that have to do with them not submitting things?
I just got discouraged.
Any questions?
No, Judge, I did have a conversation with my client about that being a poor choice and that she needed to own up to it and that the cognitive track they were offering her might help her with better decision making.
And what is happening with the CPS case?
It got closed.
So were her rights terminated or
No, Your Honor, her son lives with her dad, which is where she was living.
probation? So is this a good fit ISF? And did she ever complete SATA?
She did 119 days in SATA. The aftercare is where it kind of went awry. What Mr. Garahan stated, that is what the recommendation is from the probation department.
Okay. All right, I'm going to give you a choice. Sometimes I can give people choices, sometimes I cannot. I will grant the motion and sentence you to 2 years in the prison, or I will follow the recommendation that's been tendered. Which would you prefer?
The 2.
You want to speak to your attorney about that or no?
Yeah. with ISF.
Okay. All right, I'll deny the motion. Alter and amend conditions to include state ISF cognitive, followed by ISP. Probation, is there anything else she needs?
I would say after she's released from state ISF, to complete intensive outpatient treatment.
All right. All right, that'll be followed by intensive outpatient treatment with probation. And instead of weekly reporting, we'll just do the UA hotline until further notice.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anything else that you need from the court? All right, in this court, communication is key. If there's an issue and you feel as though probation is not addressing it, you can always come back to the court. I'm here. You understand? Now, is there anything else you need to be successful? All right, do not come back here for not reporting again. You understand? All right, good luck to you.